Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to allow camera permission in your Google Chrome browser. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, you need to open Google Chrome in your computer. You can choose the desktop shortcut or you can just search for that Google Chrome. Then after you open the Chrome browser, you need to go to some website to access the permission of the camera. And I like to go to Wikipedia and hit enter. The first option is the wikipedia.org. Just go to that website. Alright, now you can see there's a small setting icon in here. Just tap on it and there are three options here: connection is secure, cookies and site data, and site setting. Just tap on the third option, site setting. Okay, now you can see the site setting of that web address. You can clear the cookies in the web address, and you can see there is an option called permissions, and it shows every permission it needs: location, camera, microphone, and other things. And in the camera section you can see there is a drop down menu. Just tap on it. Currently it is not asked for the permission, that's why it is set as ask default. And if it is asked for the permission, you have to choose allow or block, or otherwise you can just initially you can get the allow or block the permission of the camera. You can do same things for others also, allow or block. And you can reset the permissions again from here. Yeah, there are a bunch of permissions here, as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can allow or block the permission for camera in the Google Chrome. Yeah, if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and liking this video. Thank you very much.